Hey, what's up, guys? It's Ryan here, and I just clicked over my first $100,000 in my Stripe account. And I wanted to share with you guys how easy it is for you to make this kind of money from home with nothing but a little piece of software and some perseverance, grit, and determination. So if you've got all of those things, you should be right. So watch this video, watch exactly how I made $100,000 this year in my Stripe account. Not by being an affiliate marketer and spreading garbage all over YouTube, but by actually doing what I'm saying I'm going to do in the video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly what I do step by step. Watch this video. You could also be making money from home right now, and it's called reputation management. I'm going to show you the 3 steps you need in order to run it, and you're going to need one piece of software, 2, a little bit of know-how, and 3, an understanding of how to onboard and activate some customers. And it's really easy. You don't need any skills. You've never have needed to work in sales before. You've never have needed to work in marketing before. I'm already doing this. My Stripe account, I put it up on the screen here. I don't need your money. I don't need you to sign up to a course. I just want you guys to see that it is possible to earn money from home and run your own software company. Stay tuned, watch the video. Let's go. These opportunities currently, based on my subscription value, coming in at 71,000. This date range, if I expand it out, it's going to give me a little bit number. 71K, awesome. This month already closed 10K, exciting stuff. And it's only the 6th, right? So this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, right, we need to run an ad to Facebook, right? It takes me about 2 clicks to run this ad. So I'm going to do a new campaign. I'm going to do reputation management ads. I've already got a template for reputation management sitting right here. It's got a whole bunch of images, how many reviews. I'm going to go choose my template, right? It's going to be a lead form. I'm going to spend $20 a day on that. I'm going to punch in my website. And then rather than do a radius, I'm going to open that out to some additional targeting options. So if we do with our custom audiences, we can expand that out, and I can put in a bunch of different things here, location targeting, etc. I'm going to go with where I'm at, of course, my country, and then I'm going to click launch. So let's go ahead and click launch. So the other thing that we want to do is once we've launched, is we're going to automate pretty much everything that happens. So the software that I have acts like a white label. So I've got this infrastructure which allows me to package and resell software as my own, right? So what I've done is I've created a brand. That brand's called Funnel. I just came up with the brand like literally, a few months ago. It didn't exist, and I thought it sounded all right. I just put it through an AI name generator. Didn't really care. But what I've got this SaaS configurator. So this is called a software as a service configurator. I customize my plan and I build my own. So what I've got here is I've got hare, antelope, cheetah, 97, 297, 497. What I'm doing is I'm giving reputation management as a feature inside of the hare plan at $97 with a 14-day trial period. Now you can up that to 21 days if you really wanted to. Get a little bit more generous, but I think everyone's kind of pretty used to 14 days, right? I'm going to allow them to upgrade to higher plans. I'm going to allow them to cancel their subscriptions, and I'm going to suspend their accounts when their payment fails, right? So that whole thing around subscription is taken care of, right? I'm going to save the changes. Now, here's all my products. And look, if I wanted to directly send someone a link to it, I could. Off we go. Now, I'm going to go into my account. So my funnel account. We're going to log in there, and what I'm going to do is actually show you just a slightly different one here. So we're going to go in here. You're going to go to my automation. And what have we got? Reputation management. Right, and this is all I need. So I've got a workflow here that says when someone submits a new Facebook ad, send an email from activations@go.funnel.me. It's your free 14-day trial. And off you go. Here's your free 14-day trial. So to get started, click here. And that link is the product that you saw back in my configurator. That's literally it. There is a few other things you could do, but what the user experience is that they then log in, they go to the Launchpad, they're told to go to this section here, they send themselves a link, so they type in their phone number, whatever it is, they type in that phone number, and it sends them a link. Then what they're going to do is they're going to connect Google My Business. So then when they click on reputation, they're going to have a number of statistics and things come up in the reputation management dashboard. So this is effectively the feature that I'm selling. So I lock everything down and we just have reputation, right? So if I've got a list of contacts, you can tell that customer, look, these 3 customers are going to review you now. You click on that. You then click on the little star and it says send review requests, right? And then I'm going to go, okay, let's send all of these via SMS, for instance. Otherwise, if I've got their email addresses, I click on email. I'm going to do all at once and off we go. And that's going to send out a bunch of reputation management reviews, right? So then I can see all of the reviews that I've ever received. And right now I haven't actually set up my reviews, but you would be able to see those come through. You can customize the review link. You can change the way that it behaves. So, if I'm sending an SMS and whatever, I can change the templates here. And then you can add widgets to your website. So if they've already got an existing website or something like that, they can grab this code here and they can chuck it in their WordPress or whatever, displaying their star reviews, and they can call it customer testimonials or whatever they want as well, right? They can also send a customer review request straight from here. So even if this was a med spa, dentist or whatever, they have this system sitting here. When someone's about to walk out the door, they say, would you like to leave us a review? Yes, no worries. And they say, okay, I'm just going to look you up. And they go, cool, Ryan Chambers, for instance, send a review request, off you go. And that is it, right? This is reputation management as a service. What you're seeing here is what the customer is going to use. They put in their billing information. They get access to this system. They manage their entire reputation, and they no longer have to go to Google My Business. It also expands out the conversation to a number of different things, like universal conversation inbox, GMB chat, sending messages through Facebook, Instagram, etc. And that's when I push them on to higher plans. So that is it. I have a system that does all this, and I've got slide decks on how you pitch this. If you were to have a meeting with someone, you can take those pitch decks. They're completely generic. There's no branding. You can basically take them and make them your own. So present this in a sales way, sell reputation management as much as you like, and literally any business that needs reviews on Google My Business is a potential customer. So you can cold call, you can run ads like I've done here, you can walk into the next 10 businesses you see, and you'll be up and running. The software that you need to make this happen, there's 2 key pieces of software. I'll put the links below. Like and subscribe to see more. Hope to see you next time.